a melody that brings me to my knees. Oh, your love, it flows through me like the tide moving in the deep blue sea. Steady rhythm, heartbeat so true. My soul is dancing, locked in time with you. No heavy burden, just a peaceful mind. The sweetest connection that I could find. Like the oil drums ringing through the street. Every single moment, it's a soul retreat. Oh, your love, it flows through me like the tide moving in the deep blue sea. Steady rhythm, heartbeat so true. My soul is dancing, locked in time with you. Flows through me. Yeah, keep it steady. Only you. My soul is dancing, locked in time with you. No heavy burden, just a peaceful mind. The sweetest connection that I could find. Like the oil drums ringing through the street. Every single moment, it's a soul retreat. Oh, your love, it flows through me like the tide moving in the deep blue sea. Steady rhythm, heartbeat so true. My soul is dancing, locked in time with you. Flows through me. Yeah, keep it steady. Only you. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Morning cup on the step, your toes on the tile. You tie up your hair, and I lose my mind. You save me the last bite, like it means a lot. That tiny little smile, it's harder than I thought. And when the room gets rough, you make it soft. You turn that heavy road into a walk. It's the small things, that's why I love you. Small things, that's why I do. The way you touch my sleeve, the way you know just what to do. It's the small things, that's why I love you. Small things, that's the truth. One little glance from you, and I come right back to you. Right back to you. Right back to you. You leave the porch light low for me coming home. You hum that door. keeping you warm. And if the whole world shakes, I still know love lives loud in the little things you show. Small things, that's why I love you. Small things, that's why I do. The way you touch my sleeve, the way you know just what to do. It's the small things, that's why I love you. Small things, that's the truth. One little glance from you, and I'll come right back to you. Right back to you.
Andy Irons won the world title in 2002, 2003, and 2004. All of those years beating Kelly Slater in the process, who was already a world champion surfer many times over. This footage was taken in the year 2005 at the Mazda Big Airshow during the lower trestles contest. This airshow was absolutely stacked. Huge names in surfing, legends of surfing. Guys like Dane Reynolds, Andy Irons, Kelly Slater, Bruce Irons, Ry Crakey, Timmy Curran, all in the same heat. Even Jaimie OBrien was there. Well, Timmy Curran ended up taking it with some big air reverses at the end of the heat, but Kelly would go on to win the 2005 world title, taking the title reign back from Andy Irons. And this heat was just on the road to that victory.